Let's see, that's him right there.
There he is.
It broke.
I didn't know he had his camera out. I should have texted him. Told him.
You guys camera each other.
Yeah.
Here's my ride.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
You didn't. I didn't know. I should have texted you. I didn't know you were gonna have your camera out. I don't even need this.
What's up, dude?
How are you, man?
Good.
I was just making fun of you guys filming each other.
I know.
This is how it always
I'm Kurt.
goes.
How's it going? Good to meet you. Let's get all this.
Can you take me to the turkeys? That's all I ask.
Yeah.
Oh, we're loaded down.
Let's see here. Well, we kind of are. We don't have to worry about which one do we want to move.
I've known Drew, Lee, and the Seek One guys for quite some time now. So when the opportunity came about to chase turkeys in Utah with our friends from Trophy Rock, neither one of us batted an eye. And I told Drew, we'd go out, just have a good time. I'd be happy to tag along, film him. And if he was lucky enough to tag one, then I would just use his gun and chase one. So we were pretty excited. It was going to be the first time I'd been chasing after turkeys with a shotgun in quite some time.
Smell that fresh mountain air. A little different than that Atlanta smog. It has been a long day of travel. Left the Atlanta airport at like 8:15 this morning. 4-hour flight out here, 4-hour drive down to southern Utah from Salt Lake City. But we're at it. We dropped our stuff off at the house and we're getting after it tonight. So this property is amazing. I'm super pumped about this hunt for a bunch of reasons. Number one, I love being out west. I think I was supposed to be born out here, so we are in like mule deer and elk mecca right now. One of the best trophy mule deer hunting areas in the world. And so just being out here in this terrain is awesome. Another reason, hunting with Mike Hunsucker from Heartland Bowhunter, and we're actually going to do a podcast later. We're going to kind of get into the details of it, but Mike was a huge reason that I started filming hunts a long time ago. He kind of inspired the Seek One story, so pretty cool that it's kind of come full circle and now we're hunting together. It's also my first Merriam's hunt, so a lot of firsts today, and gonna try to get one on the ground tonight, pass the gun off to Mike. We got a bunch of stuff going on this trip. We're here for like 3 days, trying to pack a lot in. We're up here with Trophy Rock. Tomorrow we're going to the Trophy Rock salt mine and getting a whole mine tour, shooting cannons, tasting a bunch of salt, kind of sprinkling in some turkey hunts where we can. So got a lot planned. It's gonna be fun. I'm just happy to be out here. Let's do it, dude.
So windy.
Yeah, it's very windy.
He'd hate to sneak up this way, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'd have to be close. They'd have to be really close to hear that.
God, that ain't gonna work. That'll work. Not a peep. We might have heard a hen a couple times, like up on the hill behind us, but it's so windy, it's hard to really hear anything. He's going into the trees. last turn and we saw a redhead running up the hill from 300 yards away. But we just heard another one just gobbled right here, so we didn't totally screw it up yet.
We better set up.
Yeah, let's get up here.
Hey, here comes the gobbler. I think another bird. Give me a quick update.
Well, this would have been the perfect setting. It would have been fitting for me. When we came around the corner, we spooked that what looked like a gobbler way off on the other side of the field. Struck the other one up, and the two were running right to us. And the last thing we saw was the gobbler in the back chase the other one up the hill to the left. I don't think he saw us. Like, they didn't look spooked. They were just chasing each other. And we kind of just lost sight of them behind this red barn down here. But they haven't responded again. And we can't really move up because it's really open down in this meadow. To say right now. We got tomorrow morning to hunt. Then we're doing the mine tour tomorrow midday. And I think we have one more morning, so. But can't complain. Pretty awesome spot to sit and watch the sunset. Two of them. Up this hill.
Little ways.
Yeah. Probably right up on top up there.
That's weird, they're not gobbling.
I know. Heck yeah, dude.
Let's get closer.
She's chatty. That was pretty cool. She knew within 15 feet of where I was calling from.
Oh yeah, she had
Like, pinpointed. I think our setup passed the test, though. Some money setup right here. I can't believe those gobblers didn't follow her down. I wonder if they pitched like uphill or something, like up the valley a little bit.
There's a ton of gobblers and chicks, a ton of them.
The worst possible scenario just happened. They ended up staying on this side of this little valley. It popped out down below us and crossed the road. They crossed the road maybe 40 yards. But I don't have a clear shot. There's some trees and bushes and stuff in the way. And they did not care about us going to. I'm sure they're just working that road all the way back around that point. So I wonder if we can drop down below them or something and cut them off. Like, Can you see him?
No.
That's all right.
Dude,
Freaking crazy.
they were like 5 feet and I was filming and I had no idea.
I was trying to say, can you see him? I figured I wasn't talking loud enough because the birds are freaking right there. The problem was there was 2 gobblers right next to each other and a bunch of hens like coming around the turn. If they had come any farther, all the hens would have been right behind them. Oh my God.
Sweet, dude.
Man, that sucks. It's not on video, but oh well. That's part of it. We literally have like 15, 20 minutes left until we have to leave. And you still have a tag, so we'll get yours on video. Holy smokes. Yes! Yes, sir. God, such a pretty bird. First Merriam's.
Yes, dude.
Yes.
It was awesome.
Thanks for filming.
Thanks for giving me a heart attack.
The guys don't know that we killed one yet, so got a little surprise for them. We got him.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Good for you.
We had a crazy hunt this morning.
Dude, he's ready.
Yep.
Now we gotta get to that mine before we're late.
Yeah, I know,
We're
right?
gonna get in trouble.
We got all sorts of stuff set up here, so we
There's
are
gonna be lots of boom.
lots of booms. So we're actually in southern Utah right now. Mike and I have been turkey hunting the last couple days. Actually finally killed one this morning and ran up here. We're at the Redmond Trophy Rock mine. And I think this is one of the only mines that has like the natural ocean mineral deposits.
It's crazy. Yeah, Blake was telling us
Yeah.
about how an earthquake caused it to come up to the surface above everything else that's like a mile below.
So essentially it's the world's biggest mineral site for deer. And I'm expecting to see just hordes of mule deer and elk trying to get to it. But we're gonna shoot a little bit. We got some targets set up, and then we're actually gonna go down into the mine and get a whole tour, do some spelunking and kind of see where these trophy rocks come from. Well, 2 archery guys shooting rifles. I don't know how this is gonna
Fire in the
pan
hole!
out.
It's gonna be like,
Yeah.
boom, finally.
I'm gonna be the guy that shoots 19 times
Yeah.
and doesn't hit anything.
Don't tell that story.
Someone else shoot this because I am. Mike, come on, you're up. This is warm up. This is not part of the competition.
Okay, it starts when we hit the first one.
I hope you miss.
You left me some.
Made me feel a little bit better about myself.
You left me some room here. Hey!
I must be cross-eyed or something.
It's not the gun.
It's definitely not the gun. All right. Oh, you just had to break it in. Finally, golly.
All right, start the competition.
Now the competition starts.
When I shot, now we each got one.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh!
All right,
They were just too close.
we're getting dialed now.
2 straight.
Yeah, 100's way too close.
Hey, now you...
Get a strong crosswind. You might want to hold right a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Get low.
I couldn't tell.
I don't know. I can't talk crap yet because I just missed 4 in a row.
I was saying, how many shots did I get? Okay, come on.
Looked low again, I think.
What's the deal?
I'm telling you, that gun it's got a finicky personality.
Yeah, you're welcome. I let you shoot it right
Yeah.
back to back.
She goes in waves.
You got it. Yeah! All right. That took me 5,
Yeah, I think that was 5.
so now we're even. Right?
All right, sure.
We're back to 0.
All right, Mike, I get one more miss and then you're up.
3 up there at the 400 or just...
Ooh. Yeah, you're right. So
I got no eardrums left.
we've learned that 200 is not hard.
Well, well, actually, no, yeah. 100 is very tough. 200 is easy. 300 is impossible, apparently.
What do you got going on over here, Kyle?
So, loading our homemade cannon. One of our welder fabricators works for us, has been here for 30 years. Redmond Hunter built this for me so that we can just have fun with it out here on the gun range. Chucking a bowling ball about 500 yards at some boats that are our targets. They're not on water, but we're trying to sink boats on dry land. It's not extremely accurate. The bore, the barrel, smooth bore, there's no riflings. The bowling ball's not the greatest projectile. I'm not measuring the powder by grams or grains, just hit her there, half cup type thing. So it's fun to launch the ball, but extremely rare when we actually hit a target.
Oh my god.
See that curve?
Holy crap.
Everybody right here. Fire in the hole. It's got a chance. That's not a chance.
After a humbling performance at the range, it was time to go tour the mine, and that was something I was really looking forward to. All of these years we've been working with Trophy Rock, and this was my first time actually getting out there and checking out where they mine the rock at.
This hard hat barely fits my giant melon of a head, but this mine's pretty cool. So, all right, well, if you guys can't tell, we are officially in the mine. I don't know who won the shooting competition because we both kind of suck, to be honest. But we're just going with the gun was off. So,
Stick to bows.
yeah, we're sticking to archery from this point on. But honestly, up until about 30 minutes ago, I thought this was an open pit mine. Obviously it's not. We just dropped down about 500 feet from the surface. There's 18 miles worth of these gigantic tunnels down here. This is honestly way cooler than I thought it was going to be. Like, I'm blown away right now. This is wild.
We gotta figure out how to get one of these big rocks back on the plane with us.
Oh yeah, I mean that right there. Think about how many bucks you could draw in with that one rock right there. This is pretty cool. There's a ton of stuff that I don't know about these trophy rocks and all the uses of this salt, but we're about to learn about it. So.
It takes a lot of, days worth of oversized is what we call it.
It's good salt. You can tell that it's salt because of the way that it is. Lift with your back. That's right. Not your legs. Oh yeah. Yeah, look this way, boys. That's a lot of trophy rocks. A lot of happy deer right there. This is crazy. The scale of this operation is pretty serious. I think Heartland Bowhunter needs a rig like this.
I didn't know Sean was meeting me here. There's a dog. Spiritual journey. This thing has all the flavor, all the flair. Just full of inspiration. All right, we're making one last pit stop before we're getting kind of the full tour of Utah. We're getting to see all it has to offer, really. Drew shot a Merriam bird this morning in the mountains. Got to tour the mine today, and now we're headed east, I guess, to going through the desert and going to be hunting some river bottom birds. So really getting to experience it all. Why don't we have one of these? Oh man, that's CPS. Picture me and you instead of them. We're the three best friends that anybody can have. I would assume they're going to want to be in these green fields, not that scrubby brush. There they are right there on the pivot. Right at the base of the pivot, there's two birds. Yep.
And they got a long ways to go to roost.
They're all four males. Hopefully they'll hit that road and you'll be able to see their beards.
Y'all see the other ones back behind him? That's definitely a long beard.
Oh, I see him now with my naked eye.
Three of them. That's the one closest to us is a big bird. Just needed a fresh set of eyes on it, huh?
Yep. You know, I've been just staring at the screen. I haven't been looking through the glass like you. So.
That's true. That is true.
Not a bad. Our plans kind of got derailed. We went to a different property at first, and couldn't get a hold of the rancher to get in there. So this was our backup plan, but not mad about it. We're gonna set up our luxurious, humble abode. Stare at the stars tonight. Probably get better sleep than we have the past night. We're running on fumes. We've got like 3.5, 4 hours of sleep each night, and have been. Feels like we've been here for a week. We've been just hard at it, grinding, but might as well. Last time of the year for me. So, shoot, it's almost June. Who hunts turkeys in late May?
About to start gearing up for fall.
Yeah, exactly.
You gotta work that thing.
I think so. I can probably get this one better than those those 223 rounds. Was it? Is that what it was yesterday?
Yeah.
I don't know on this red dot. You have a little slide button here.
No, it's on the left side.
Left side. Okay, yeah, nice.
Yeah.
You got anything else in here?
Yeah, that's handy.
And then whenever you want the turkey to die, you just pull this. You pull that button right there.
We're going in zero dark 30. We gotta get in tight. Now get out and see him. Oh, there's a strutter. I can see him now. Oh, that's not the strutter. This must be a Jake. Here comes the gobbler out from the left. Right behind those hens that are talking. He's looking at the deep. Oh, the Jakes are looking. Here comes the hen. I think if we get her, it's game over. I need two gobblers. And there's two strutters anyway. They're all strutting. Coming our way, so I'm just gonna be quiet for a minute. See what she does. Here she comes. She is not happy. Oh boy, she's not happy. Gotta love when I didn't take her. Oh man, I'm not used to that. I need some hearing protection. Oh yes, dude. 542. Are you kidding me? Oh, that was incredible. That worked absolutely perfectly. If you still had your tag. Look at that. That was crazy, man. We didn't get as close as we wanted to. We were hoping to get, maybe I was probably thinking a little aggressive, but looking up from camp, I don't know, it looked like we could get to the end of that brush pile. This morning it ended up starting to get light. We're like, we better just play it safe. But where I got the decoys, you could see them from the roost. It worked perfect. They flew down to that hen. She answered right when I called and was just mad. And she came running in and all the birds followed. The two hens stayed back, but that's a mature gobbler too. We weren't sure how many jakes or gobblers. It ended up I think there was 3 different gobblers and there's 2 jakes. Been a minute since I shot one with a gun. That was awesome. What a trip to Utah it's been. Heck yeah. Cool birds, man. He's pretty dang white tipped too. You know, I'm sure you guys get more Rios down here on the river, but he's pretty white tipped. My first ever Utah bird. What a beauty. He was the only one gobbling, come to think of it. That's weird. Sometimes the jakes will gobble, but oh man, I hit his fan. Thanks for tagging along, Drew. It's been a fun few days, buddy.
It's been awesome.
Been awesome.
You can't beat this spot
And
for killing a bird.
yeah.
This is pretty.
Oh yeah, and literally
incredible.
camping. I mean, our camp's on the hill, half a mile away or whatever. What a way to cap it off. Overall, I don't think either one of us could have drew up this trip really any better. It was a grind for sure. Long days, not a lot of sleep, but we jam-packed a lot of stuff in there. We were chasing birds, we were meeting with the Trophy Rock guys, got to tour the mine, shoot guns. Pretty cool to see the diversity there where the turkeys lived and actually get to see where the Trophy Rock is mined.
Oh. Nice job, Gate boy. You're fired.
This turkey hunt's as dead as that squirrel.
I feel like just crawling down in there and laying next to him and killing just as many turkeys in there. R.I.P. little buddy. What is this? This is top quality service.
You're an
Truly a Redmond Hunt.
You're an ultimate
Do
pH.
this bird with grace. Thank you, good sir. May it bring you good luck.
Oh, she looks good in the sun.
Yeah, she does. She got pretty eyes.
Pretty shiny.
Just gaze into my soul.
She's a big boy. Right there. What's the key to a good French fry, Todd?
You got to cook them with love. Don't wash the dirt off them and use coconut oil.
I want to hear that elk bugle again. Let's hear
My
it.
elk bugle?
Yeah. No diaphragm.
Okay, here we go. No reed, no diaphragm. So that's about as good as you get for
That's
an old
pretty.
fat
That's
guy.
better than I can do with the actual bugle tube.
Really?
Yeah, you're
well,
coming.
you got to get the cow in there, you know.
What are you doing in September?
I go with anybody I can,
I need you to come with me, cause.
anytime.
All right.
We're gonna come out.
Can't go turkey hunting because he busts his head open.
Cancel the whole hunting season.
Oh, there's no way, dude. No
It's
way.
got baby down. I have to go to the hospital with you.
I don't really need it. But I want to ride this.
It's not worth chancing. Wait, if you get hurt, we can't go either. So. Oh, what? Dang, dude, slingshot into it. Oh! He knows how to like abort mission and safely catch himself. I would be like, whee!
Y'all come back now, you hear?